Motion and measurement of distance. Units used in ancient time. In ancient time, people used various ways to measure distance like the length of the foot, the width of the finger, the distance of the step. But measurement from it is not accurate. Hence, French created a standard unit of measurement called the metric system. Metric system is further classified to SI system and CGS. The full form of SI system is Standard International System, and the full form of CGS is Centimeter, Gram, and Second System. For example, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. We can't measure something with a palm or finger, with the length of a palm, finger, or the length of the step or the length of the foot, as every one of us has different sizes of palms, foot, and step. That's why the French made the metric system. Some conventional system of measurement. Conventional means which the measurement which are used all over the world. The international system of measurement. First, handspan. Handspan means the measurement of your longest finger to the end of your palm. Second, the arm length. The measurement of the longest finger till your shoulder. Cubit means the tippy toe of your finger, of your hand's finger till the elbow. And fourth, footstep. Like if you walk a distance, if you walk a distance with two legs, first and second step, the second step from the first step will be counted as a whole system, whole step, whole measurement. Let's talk about measurement. When there is a comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity, it is called a measurement. The result of measurement has two parts. One part is the number and the other part is unit. Unit means like meter, centimeter, kilometer, millimeter. The known quantity which is used in the measurement is unit. Meter is a SI unit of measuring length. The symbol of the meter is m. The SI unit of measuring mass is kilogram. Its symbol is kg. The SI unit of measuring time is second. It is indicated as S. Precautions while taking measurement. There are many precautions while taking measurement, but in this chapter we will learn only three ways how to take precaution while taking measurement. First, care should be taken to keep the ruler along the length of the object. If the edge of the ruler is worn out or broken, the measurement should be started from any other mark that is fully clear. If the scale is broken from, like if you have a 15 centimeter scale and the starting and the last is broken, so you should start from, if the scale is broken from 0 to 1, so you should start from second or from third to measure the thing. Second, I should be exactly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. See, when we see from the exact above the point, it is the correct position. But when we see from here or from here, then it's a wrong position. We will see if the object is having the length of 1 centimeter and we see from a little bit of left side, it will show us something 1 sorry 0.9, or if we see from right side it will show something 1.2 or 1.1. So it is wrong, but the correct measurement is A part, 1 centimeter. Now, this is the first point. See, this scale is broken. So we should start from another point. So they are starting from the 6 centimeter and ending till 12 centimeter. And the thing which you are measuring should be close to the scale, exactly close to the scale. And the eyes should be at the proper point. Same with this envelope. This part is broken. So, this part is broken. So, they have measured from 7 centimeter, starting from 7 centimeter. Now, let's talk about motion. These are some types of motion: rectilinear, circular, rotational, and periodic. First, we will talk about random motion having no specific path. For example, motion of butterfly is known as random motion. Translational. In this video, we are going to talk about translational, rotational, and oscillatory. So, first, translational motion in which all particles of a moving body describes identical trajectory. First, rectilinear motion in straight line. Example, car moving on a straight road. Curvilinear motion in a curved path. For example, car moving on a curved road. Circular motion in circular path. For example, motion of earth around the sun. Now let's talk about rotational motion in a circular path about fixed point or fixed axis. For example, motion of blades of fan. Oscillatory to and fro motion about its rest position. For example, motion of swing. Motion and measurement of distances. We see around us many things move. The change in position of an object with respect to time is called motion. There are different types of motion, such as rectilinear, circular, periodic, and rotating motion. Types of motion. First, rectilinear motion. It is related to when an object motion is in a straight line in a fixed direction. For example, a bus moving in a straight line, or a box, a rectangular box, a cuboid box sliding from a ramp. It is also a rectilinear motion. Second, circular motion. When motion takes place along the curved path, it is called circular motion. For example, the blade of ceiling fans that rotate around the fan. Periodic motion, the motion which repeats itself after a fixed interval of time, is called circular motion. For example, the ball bouncing in the air or earth in the orbit around the earth. Fourth, rotational motion. When an object turns about a fixed axis is called rotational motion. For example, the wheels of the car move in a rotational motion or earth rotating on the axis. Difference between circular and rotational movement. In rotation, the body's center of mass does not undergo any translation motion. In other words, the center of mass will remain at on place like a top spinning on its axis, or the earth spinning. It's for the rotation, the earth spinning. Second, in circular motion, the body's center of mass goes around a fixed center, maintaining a constant distance from it, which means the center of mass is actually going through a translation motion. For example, an ant sitting on the circumference of the spinning top in the above example. This, these, these are some example of circular motion. See, this car is going around this thing. It is also a type of periodic motion. This this is going around and round and round. This is a circular motion. The bullock is going around this thing. It is a circular motion. In easy words, we can say that if something, if there is a thing, if something goes around and comes back, it is a circular motion. These are some type of rotational motion. The blades of this are doing a rotation but are at their place. But in circular motion, the thing goes round and round and do not stay in one place but comes in a place. The spinning, the spinning top, this spinning top is going around and round and round and round. Means this is a rotational motion. This roundabout or the merry-go-round is also spinning and spinning. This is a rotational motion. Or the thing which you ride is also a rotational motion. Periodic motion. When the same motion repeats itself after equal intervals of time, we call it periodic motion. As in the circular motion, when the car was running around and round and round on the road, it was a type of periodic motion because it was coming in the same interval. Or we can take an example of this thing. The earth is going round and round and round and taking the same time 365 days and 6 hours to complete a year. It's a periodic motion because it's taking the same time every year. Every year it takes 365 days and 6 hours. The second, the second example is the clock. See the clock needle, the second hand needle. It is going round and round and round for 60 seconds. It's taking the same time every minute, every hour, every day. So it's a type of periodic motion. Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum also exhibits periodic motion. Pendulum is a thing which is on the top or on the end of a clock. Not a wall clock, but the thing which is in a type of cupboard type, which is goes front and back. It's a pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of an object of mass and suspended by a light string or rod of length L. The upper end of the string is fixed. Like I told in the clock, when the object is pulled to the side and released, it oscillates about the lowest point, which is the equilibrium position. The motion occurs in the vertical plane and is driven by the gravitational force. Like I told, this thing is a pendulum. It goes right, left, right, left, right, left. Same like the swing. It goes back and come forward, back and come forward, back and come forward. Summary. The change in position of an object with respect to time is called motion. Rectilinear motion are the motion. It is related to when an object's motion is in a straight line in a fixed direction. Circular motion are the motion when motion takes place along the curved path. Periodic motion are the motion which repeats itself after a fixed interval of time. Rotational motions are the motion when an object turns about a fixed axis. When there is a comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity, it is called a measurement. Thank you.